Hi everybody, welcome back. Ooh, I'm ashy. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day or a great night depending on when you're watching this video. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Desiree and I hope you all are having a great Wednesday. No, today is not Wednesday, it's Thursday. And I put this in my community tab. Did you know if you run, if you're running people's playlists, you know, like we all do, if you turn it on 2 times the speed, the watch time hours would only be for half of that video. I didn't know. I didn't know. I didn't know. I didn't know until me and a couple people in the group that for the collaboration that Cassie is doing, we were talking about it yesterday, and I wanted to let you all know. So, if you're running somebody's playlist, definitely watch it as the normal speed and just let it run in the background, walk away from it, things like that. Y'all, I did not know. So, the videos that I was watching today, I did turn them to the normal speed and everything is back to normal. Of course, going forward, I will continue to run playlists at the normal rate. And y'all, we have been so busy at work, so busy. Have been so busy at work. Anywho, what I wanted to do is show you all my first paycheck budget for the month of November. I actually thought I was going to get paid a little more. I didn't, but that's okay. So when you don't get paid what you think you may get paid, guess what you have to do? You have to adjust. So here is my scratch piece of paper, and I finally written everything out on my planner. So starting at the top, most things are already written out, but that's okay. After I sent my sister money and all of that good stuff, I ended up with $1,415.80 for Leaders Credit Union. And I'm writing it this way because this is how the bills are pretty much on my pay stub. So Leaders Credit Union got $65. 32 is going to the bill for AT&T for December. 22 is going to Term Life. $8 is going to Buffer, and $3 is for the Google bill. And this is the amount that's left, $1,350.80. I do have $5 going to Navy Federal Savings Account. I did actually have $60 going to SoFi, but once I saw what my paycheck was, I decided to put 20 in and put 40 in and keep the rest. So I have $1,305.80 left. And everything else here is from the Chime account. So we have Netflix, $4, Cricket, 59, and this is just what bank this needs to go to. NES, I was going to do 50, but I ended up sending a little bit more money to my sister, so I just did the difference, and it was $44.80 for the car payment. I'm doing $225, y'all, and guess what I did? Oh my goodness, I can't believe I did this. So I went to pay the car note. I had everything written out. When I went in to pay the car note, I actually, instead of me paying the car note for $225, guess what I did? I sent my credit card for Navy Federal that I owe $458.69 on. I sent $225 to that card, and I called Navy Federal, and the guy was like, "Yeah, we can reverse it. You just have to wait for it to stop pending." And I was like, "Okay." And I was thinking, where can I get $84, because that's the difference. Is it 84? Yeah, that's the difference between the 144 that I want to send to Navy Federal, which is not in the budget because that money is in cash. And if I write it out on here, and then I'll be extra confused. So I was looking, thinking, where can I get this money? So y'all, guess what? I got paid my interest amount with Allie, and y'all, it's so much stuff happening. So with my Ally account, I was checking everything, looking at everything and whatnot. I noticed I had an Amazon payment for an Amazon bill for $14.99. I checked my account and I checked my other account that I use under my mom's name. Checked with Amazon, double checked everything, asked Travis. I thought he may have, still had maybe his Amazon account linked to my card, and he don't. So now what I have to do is wait for that $14.99 that should have went to medical, actually $16. Now I have to wait for it to be settled, and then I'll be able to dispute it. That's crazy. And my not credit card, my debit card is right here. Like, I hardly ever use my debit card. Like, it's crazy. But moving on, stuff happens. It's crazy. Protect your things. Check your accounts. I check my accounts multiple times a day, so definitely do that. For State Farm, this is the bill for December. We are sending $129 over to Capital One for mortgage. Now, this is still rent, but I'm changing this over to mortgage since I have to pay the mortgage the rent anyway, right? So for mortgage, this is still rent money, but it's all going to alley into my home fund, and at the end of the month, I will pay the rent and keep whatever is left in that account. And this pen, if you're wondering, is a pen that I got from Erica when she first started up with the pens. I still went ahead and invested $15 with Capital One. I went ahead and sent Christmas $29 versus $40. And I did it so I can have an even amount left. So altogether, all of it. Okay, I did not add all of this up. I added up all of these, but I left these other things out. So I need to go back and re-add that up. But this is right. For $300, that's the amount that's left. And I'm not really sure how I want to do this. That's why I haven't written anything out. So this is what I'm thinking. $160 for groceries, $60 for spending, travel, which is gas, $40 plus the $20 that I already have, miscellaneous, $20, and I will have $20 left. And I'm really not sure what to do with that just yet. I need to go through, check everything, see what I have for Thanksgiving already. If not, I need to try to start buying all of that stuff, because y'all know once it get close to Thanksgiving, the stores are going to be packed like crazy. And yeah, all the cranberry sauce is going to get taken. So I don't want that to happen. Now, over here, this is what was initially in my brown binder. Still is in there. I sent money back to Navy Federal, and the money is still there. So all of this money right here is going to my cash envelopes. Capital One got 43. Discover got $20. The cream binder has $39 in it. That's what I was going to cash stuff from the money that I had left over. I have $10. Jasmine has 0. Travis has 10. And this $20 from the ATM machine for Capital One, I need to go get that out. But this is it. This is the budget. Well, actually, this is the budget, and I'll go through, make sure everything is correct, and get everything written out for the cash envelopes. And I will put a picture on the screen, that way you can see it once I figure out what I truly want to do. But that's it. That's how I figure out my budget. That's how I figure out what I want to do for the next 2 weeks. It's crazy out here, y'all. Be safe. Have a great day. Enjoy your time with your family. And I'm going to go back to work for overtime. So have a great day. Bye. Oh, so I forgot one thing. What do you think? Should I take the last $84? Yes. The, shoot, what is it? The alley interest bucket only has $84 in it. Should I A, take that money, go ahead and leave the $225 for the credit card and add the $141. Is it 141? Yeah, 141 that I was going to send to the credit card with the $84 and send it to the car payment to make it $225, or should I just leave that $84 alone and go ahead and reverse the charge? Let me know down below what you're thinking. Have a great day. Bye.